Ready to unleash the full potential of your digital assets and join the GOAT crypto revolution? Connecting your crypto wallet to the GOAT platform is your first step to seamless buying, selling, and trading within our thriving ecosystem. So let's dive right into a quick and easy tutorial. First, open the GOAT platform app on your device. Look for the profile icon, usually located in the top right or bottom navigation bar. Tap on it to access your account settings. Now, in your settings menu, you'll find the Connect Wallet option. It might also be labeled as Link Wallet or something similar. Tap on it to begin the connection process. Next, you'll see a list of supported wallets. GOAT is compatible with many popular wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet, plus others. Choose the wallet you currently use and want to connect. For this example, we'll select MetaMask. A pop-up window will appear from your chosen wallet, in our case MetaMask, requesting permission to connect to the GOAT platform. Carefully review the permissions being requested. It's crucial to understand what access you're granting. If you're comfortable with the permissions, tap Approve or Connect in your wallet. This authorizes the GOAT platform to interact with your wallet. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation message on the GOAT platform indicating that your wallet is successfully connected. You're now ready to explore all the features and opportunities the GOAT ecosystem has to offer. From buying and selling crypto to participating in exclusive trading opportunities and easily viewing your asset portfolio, connecting your wallet unlocks a world of possibilities on the GOAT platform. Enjoy.